Dear kids, did you all enjoy the study of words where we had discussed with the words formed with AT and AN letters? Now we have one more chart with the words that are formed with AG and also AM. The words formed with AG and AM, am and ag. All of you see the pictures here. This is a bag. You carry your bag to the school, isn't it? With books. B-A-G, bag. Repeat the word, B-A-G, bag. Even your dad or mom, they also carry bag when they go to the office. Here it is a cloth, but you call it as rag, R-A-G, rag. Why do you call it as a rag? Because it is a cloth which is used for the cleaning purpose or even the cloth which is torn. That is also called as rag. Here is an animal which is the friend of man. Yes, it is a dog. See its tail? You all have observed, I feel, when the dog sees the people whom it loves a lot or your family members. If you have a dog at home, what does it do? It will wag its tail. W-A-G, wag. The tail starts moving, and even when they get excited, they just go on wagging their tail. W-A-G, wag. M-A-G, mag. It is a gun, or you can also call it as a mission gun. So you might have seen in movies or television, the soldiers use it a lot. Mission gun. M-A-G, mag. T-A-G, tag. A tag. A tag will be attached, or a price tag will be attached when you buy new clothes or new books. So it is called as a tag. The price will be written on this. This is a gag. It is a gag. It is a rare picture for you all, I feel. This is a covering belt on the mouth. It is used to cover the mouth where the person is not allowed to speak. Maybe during some medical test or anything, they use it. So you concentrate on the word and the pronunciation, gag. G-A-G, gag. Repeat it, G-A-G, gag. See the words once again. B-A-G, bag. R-A-G, rag. W-A-G, wag. M-A-G, mag. T-A-G, tag. G-A-G, gag. So all these words, they have A-G letters and the same ending or the pronunciation is same when you read it. At the end you get the same sound. AM words. Here you have a picture of an animal. Yes, it is male sheep. R-A-M, ram. R-A-M, ram. This is a camera, but you call it as cam. CCTV cam, the short way, or nowadays we call it as cam. C-A-M, can. Here, most of you might have visited the dam. So here is a dam where the water will be stored and it will be used when we need it. Or during rainy season, when it is full, the gates of the dam are opened and you will have a beautiful view. Isn't it, children? Can anyone name the nearby dams? Nearby dams? It is, you can tell, the Tunga Dam or the Tungabhadra Dam. So this is a dam. Here it is Yam. Y-A-M. The picture here you can observe, it is a yam. So this is grown under the soil, the tubular root, the root. So this is yam. One more easy one you can see, that is the sweet potato. The sweet potato, that also come under the same type of root or the tubular root. It grows under soil. Yam. Again your favorite item, that is the jam. J-A-M, jam. Many of you like eating bread with jam, eating chapatis with jam. So children like it because it is very tasty, because of the taste. The last one here, ham. H-A-M, ham. It is a meat of pig. Ham, Hamburg. Hamburg, the burgers, Hamburg. That is made out of the meat of the pig. So it is ham. So all these words again, they end with am. Am words. Let us read it once again, children. R-A-M, ram. C-A-M, cam. D-A-M, dam. Y-A-M, yam. J-A-M, jam. H-A-M, ham. All these words are ending with the same sound. So these are few more interesting words. So read all the words, observe the pictures, repeat it again and again and learn the spellings whatever is possible.